Hey, be careful with me. Take care of your head a bit. Zhenya, your head is in the line. And hey, you cannot, this is on the floor. You have to adjust it, or you'll put it down. Put it... More there, more there. It has to be a bit stable.